Hi, my name is Faizatul Binti Saifuzzaman. My groupmates and I gonna present about operation management of Tealive. Operation management entails making efficient use of resources such as people, material, equipment, and technology. It is critical in a business organization because it aids in the effective management, control, and supervision of goods, service, and people. The objective of this report are to determine whether these two aspects of operation management, which are process strategy and facility location, can affect the performance of Tealive.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Najwa Syakirah. Now let's dig into the background of Tealive. After Zulaikha International Limited, a Taiwan-based company who owed Chatime, terminated their contract with Loop Holdings Sdn Bhd as the franchise holder for Chatime in Malaysia, Loop Holdings Sdn Bhd CEO Brian Lu and his company unveiled Tealive as its brand to take tea brewing to greater heights. Tealive started brewing in February 2017 and since then it has continued to bubble into becoming the largest lifestyle beverages brand in Southeast Asia. Already the top of mind leader in Malaysia, with over 500 outlets and serve over 5 million consumers per month, Tealive is now available in Vietnam, Myanmar, Brunei, Philippines, Australia, United Kingdom and also Cambodia. Even its name related to tea, Tealive does not restrict itself to being a bubble tea store solely. In fact, it positions itself as a modern tea company, and now Tealive has offered full variety of beverages, from their signature milk tea, crafted tea and fruit tea, to coffee, matcha and smoothie. With set plans to continue spreading the joy of tea through strategic expansion and product innovation, Tealive has its eyes on the world. Now, we move on to the operation system of Tealive. An operation system is a set of interdependent components designed to achieve a set of objectives, which in terms of business, the objectives are to produce the goods and services. It consists of few components which are input, transformation process, output, and feedback. Generally, in order to produce their product, Tealive also has their own operation system. Given above is one of the operation system of Tealive designed to produce their signature beverage, which is Bang Bang Milk Tea. Firstly, input is the resources needed to produce the goods and services. In order to make Bang Bang Milk Tea, the most important thing that Tealive needs is the raw materials, such as milk tea, brown sugar syrup, black pearl, and ice. Also, the other inputs that they need to have are laborers, the one who are going to make the beverage, and the recipe of Bang Bang Milk Tea as a guide for the laborers. Besides, it is a necessity for Tealive to have kitchen equipment to produce their products, such as water boiler, food pan, ladle, shaker cup, and many more. Secondly, transformation process is the process of transforming input into output through a series of value-added activities. For Tealive, in order to produce its Bang Bang Milk Tea, they have to transform the input through their transformation process, which is by making the beverage. There are a few steps in making the Bang Bang Milk Tea. The first step is the laborer have to add on the black pearl to a cup and drizzle the brown sugar syrup all over it. After that, they have to pour the Tealive signature milk tea into the cup and finish the touch by putting some ice into it. After the input went through the transformation process, an output, which is the end result of the operation system, will be produced. As for this operation system of Tealive, its output is basically the Bang Bang Milk Tea. From the output, it will be generate a feedback, which is the last component of operation system. Feedback is a control mechanism which evaluates performance against standard. In terms of Tealive operation system, the feedback can be a compliment on enjoyable beverage, or it also can be a complaint about insipid beverage from the customers. With the feedback, Tealive can evaluate either they achieve their standard or not.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Balqis Afifa, and in this video I will be explaining about process strategy of Tealive. As we can see, Tealive is aggressively involved in product focus. A product focused approach to business is one in which strategy, operation and measurement are all defined in terms of products. This is related to manufacturing and companies who strive to enhance their products on a regular basis in order to remain competitive. Then focusing on the product is a popular strategy that works for certain organizations. Firstly, Tealive has many franchises and kiosks around Malaysia, which is called as their facilities or a place of equipment provided in order to produce their product. That means their facilities, the staff have the flexibility place to produce their drinks whenever they're receiving orders from customer. In spite of that, Tealive facilities are organized around their product because they have the sequences, which means their products have step by step to produce their products. Secondly, Tealive's products are made depends on customer orders. It is because Tealive is basically services through the process of their drinks product, which is bang milk tea, that their customer have orders at their facilities or kiosks. According to one of the workers that we had in an interview last few days, he states that they receive around 200 to 300 cups in a day, which means the workers at Tealive facilities produces many of their product in a day because of the demand of the customer. In spite of that, the process in Tealive able to run enable sufficient process because the workers adapt quickly to produce Tealive product because they do it for many times in a day because Tealive are producing standardized product. Last but not least, in order to make Tealive's product, it is just need less skill labor. This is mean that the product needs to be easy to produce in order to produce them in short of time. Then it also has the ability to set and able to maintain quality standard because Tealive's product is likely to produce when their customers are waiting after they order the product. Finally, the process of Tealive product would make Tealive very profitable because these days are the era of people love Tealive products such as bang milk tea.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I'm Siti Zulaikha Fartihim binti Marzuki and I will be presenting about the facility location of Tealive. As you can see, Tealive Parker is located at tingkat bawah PT16748 Jalan Besar Kampung Caca 23,100 Parker, Terengganu. Tealive Parker choose to rent a restaurant adjacent to the main road to attract potential customer, which is maybe helpful for them to find the restaurant. Other than that, the restaurant location is also surrounded by many other premises such as 7-Eleven, 10 Retail Parker and many more. Hence, it can attract the customer of that premise to go to the Tealive Parker because it is just next to the restaurant. Besides, the rental cost for the restaurant is affordable and worth it since it's located in a strategic area in the city and has many citizens there. So, Tealive Parker can increase the number of customers and their revenue. Moreover, Tealive Parker also has a basic amenities since it is located at developing area. So this will increase the effectiveness and efficiency of the restaurant because all of the basic needs have been provided. However, Tealive Parker also has a weakness because the restaurant has a small dining area space that could not accommodate a large number of customers. Besides, Tealive Parker also encourage labor quality in skill, interest and abilities. They want to maintain the quality of their product output to satisfy their customer. As a result, the salaries of the employees are very much emphasized by offering to pay them a reasonable salary with the skill they have. Last but not least, Tealive Parker has a strategic place where they are close to their supplier and it is easier for them to purchase the restaurant equipment and get the necessary raw material. It may also save expenses on transportation and delivery service. Aside from that, Tealive Parker target market consists of consumers who enjoy famous pearl milk tea, coffee and smoothies.
Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Shamimi, Binti Ahmad Ikram and I'm from BA114 Next, I will talk about recommendations to improve the process strategy of Tealive. As stated before, Tealive is one of the most famous franchises in Malaysia and it uses product-focused process strategy. However, there are a few flaws in the process, therefore I will recommend some ideas to rectify them. First, the workers need to be skilled and fast. This is so that the product can be finished in a short amount of time while maintaining the quality of the product, as well as the customers do not need to wait long to get their orders. Second is provide an easy-to-make product. This type of product will not consume too much time since there are many customers that come to the shop. Last is the exchange places from time to time. It is so that the workers who's in charge of making the product can have a rest a bit while other workers replace their spot.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Faziana. In this video, I will explain the recommendation how to improve the facility location. There are various suggestions that can assist Tealive Packer can improve its facility location. Firstly, they can expand their dining area so the customer can sit comfortably while waiting for their orders. Next, this facility is located on the major road and is bordered by the residential areas. This accessibility contributes to the restaurant effectiveness and efficiency. Moreover, Tealive Packer location is fairly accessible and easy to locate for their supplies. Because of this, they can reduce their cost for transportation. Lastly, the feature of Tealive Packer facility location, it is advised that they remain in their current location because they have the strategic place to attract more people.
We can conclude that the process strategy of Tealive is effective because it helps the Tealive serve their customer better and improve workers' skill. In addition, for facility of Tealive, it helps the firms to increase profit and reduce their costs. It helps increase profit because the location have been chosen was strategy and can attract potential customer. Thus, the Tealive also near to their supplier, so they can save their expenses on transportation and also the delivery service.